Welcome back, all my sexy YouTubers and followers. On this episode, I'm going to show you guys how to restore and bring the life back on your inflatable boat tubes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. As you can see, she's pretty dirty. She's going to need a really good cleanup before we take some pictures. So now I'm just going to get this boat all cleaned up now. And to turn something that should be trash into cash. Alright, so now that we've got the Captain Fab degreaser cleaner soaking in, I'm just going to wait a couple minutes and then we're going to come scrub it and give it another spray down. And then we'll work on the next step. Alright, so now that we've gave it a chemical wash and got all the greases and all the pretty much all the major stains taken care of, now I'm going to pull out the paste here and I'm going to start cleaning up all these deep black stains with it now. And the cleaning paste I'm using is Zodiac's Tube Revival. As you guys will see the difference here. It's just see, slowly cleaning up. Alright, so now that I've got the boat all clean here, as you guys will see, got the stringers soaking here. Flip them around. And the reason why I got them soaking is because 9 times out of 10 these things are caked in grease. And it's just easier to flip them over and soak them and soak them with some soap and then scrub them later. And this way, after they soaked and they've scrubbed, and they're easy to put back together, and you're not getting your hands full of grease and goop and garbage. Alright, so now that I've got the boat pretty much all cleaned here, just got to do the UV protectant. I've got the floors all cleaned, I've got the stringers soaking. Let's put it together. Alright, so now I'm just going to let everything soak in here on the UV protectant. And then after it's kind of absorbed into the rubber there a bit, I'm going to wipe it down. Well, there you have it, folks. Another boat ready to hit the waters and have some fun in the sun. Quick little recap of everything that we did in this video. We used some dish soap here to initially spray it down to remove any of the dirts and stubborn oils that were on the top there. And then we took a degreaser, Captain Fab in this case, sprayed it down, let it soak to break off any of the residual greases from the soap. Then we used the Zodiac Revival paste to brighten up the tubes and bring the colors back. And to finish it off, we used some 303 UV protectant. And now she's ready to go. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button that's somewhere around here. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Stay safe and happy boating, everybody.